Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So last week, I think I transformed myself into an e-girl. So today, I'm now going to transform myself into a soft girl. So what is a soft girl? Let me just pull up my phone real quick because I'm not filming with my phone anymore. Yes, a flex girl. If you haven't watched my upgrading my video setup video or whatever video yet, I'll have the link down in the description. Why can't I speak? Go ahead and check that out after you watch this video, of course. I can't speak, but let's proceed. What is a soft girl? So a soft girl, for one, she's on TikTok 24/7. I am on TikTok, not 24/7, but I don't do much like TikTok videos because your girl cannot dance. I cannot dance. Also, a soft girl loves like sweet pink outfits, big smiles, playful hairdos, and ultra girly makeup. I think for me, like from what I see on TikTok, like a soft girl aesthetic look is just a softer and girlier version of an e-girl. But yeah, so how to be a soft girl? So soft girls, there's a lot of pink. So you want pink clothes, pink accessories, and even pink hair, but we're not going to do that. And also a lot of pink blush, and a glossy lip. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I already did my brows off camera. I know they're like crazy. Like I haven't groomed them in a while. Like I think for 2 weeks already. So they're uneven and bushy and just messy. I wanted to do like a separate video on how I do like my brow routine. So I want to groom them on camera. So yeah, I already did my brows off camera, so I'm going to start with my primer. I'm going to be using my Biore, is that how you pronounce this? I don't know. But I got this from a local drugstore here in Japan. It's the UV Atlasm. It has SPF 50 on it, which I really like. And I really like the texture of this. It's not sticky at all. I'm just going to use like this much. I'm sorry if sometimes I still like look at the viewfinder, but yeah, I'm just going to spread this all over my face like so. After that, I'm going to be doing my foundation. I'm going to be using my Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation, and I am in the shade 113 Nude Ivory. So let's give her a little shake, and I'm going to be using like a pump and a half. And I'm going to spread this all over my face using a damp sponge. Lately, like, I've been using this foundation a lot. Usually, I don't have a favorite or go-to foundation just because I like to like use all my foundation on my collection. So I tend to switch up foundation a lot. Like every time I do my makeup, I pick something different, you know, just so I can use all of them. But lately, I cannot help myself. I kept using this one, the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. It's so good. If you have time, like, take your time blending out your foundation because it makes a lot of difference. Now that our foundation is all blended out, I'm going to put on concealer. I'm going to be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I am in the shade Medium 1 Custard. I'm going to put some... I need my mirror. Let's try this thing in like so. Hi. I'm going to put some on my under eye, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, forehead, and on my lids to prime them. I do have an eye primer, an eyeshadow primer, but I really like using concealer though as a primer. So yeah, just blend this out using your damp beauty sponge. This one's from Real Techniques. I really love it. After that, I'm now going to set my face. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to open this baby and put some on the cap, like so. And I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just swirl it around the cap. Give it a little tap. And then just set. Now that my face is set, I'm now going to start doing my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using my Dirty Ass Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I swear I cannot speak today. Like, see, she's dirty. So I'm going to be using my Soft Glam palette, the dirtiest palette that I have. I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to take this shade. This is the shade Dusty Rose, and I'm going to blend this all over my lid. This is the first time that I'm filming a makeup video using our new camera and these new lights. I forgot to zoom in. I'm so sorry, guys. What? That I'm going to be taking my Sweet Talk palette from Colourpop and I'm going to use this shade. This is the shade Meadow, and I'm going to buff this all over my lid as well. I changed my mind. I focused it on my outer V, but I'm dragging it a little bit onto my crease. So now I'm going to be taking this shade. It's a shimmer shade. It's called Garden Date. I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Going back with my brush and I'm just going to blend and smooth this out. After that, still using my finger, I'm going to be taking this glittery shade right here. It's called Side to Side, and I'm going to put this on the center of my lids. I said center, not all over, but here I am putting it all over my lid. Using a smaller brush, I'm going back with this shade Meadow, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. Then going back with Side to Side and this small brush, I'm going to put this on my inner corners. And using my damp beauty sponge, I'm just going to clean up the fallouts, which I cannot clean up anymore. Like, the glitter is stuck on there. I'm not sure if you can see, like, I have glitter here, which is okay. I now regret doing my eye or my base makeup first, my foundation and everything before my eye makeup. I did not think this through. I was working with glitter and but yeah, let's proceed and just pretend that I don't have like a lot of fallout. I'm now going to line my eyes. I'm going to be using my Uzu eye opening liner. This is a black eyeliner, and I'm just going to do like a very simple like line. So I'm trying to like line as close to the lash line as possible, and then towards the end I'm just going to do like a little wing. Also, you guys, it's Leo season, so I'm going to be doing, or I'm going to continue doing my Zodiac sign series, makeup series, and I'm going to do a Leo one soon. I am a Leo. Leave a comment below if you're also a Leo. I have poor eyesight, so I'm not actually sure if the camera is focused on me, but I hope it is. So, yeah. And now I'm going to be putting on my Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner so I can put on like magnetic fake lashes. I'm just going to give this a little shake. I really love using this and their magnetic like lashes. I'm so bad at working with eyelashes and fake lashes and glue, but this is just so easy to use. I really love it. I use it almost in every video that I have. So I'm just going. So since I already have like magnetic eyeliner on, these lashes has magnets on it. Focus me. It has 6 magnets, so this would just like pop right on to, it would just stick onto the magnetic eyeliner. Like so. There. Oh my god. It looks really good. And this is my favorite lash. It's on a Luxe lash box, but I think this isn't the Luxe lash because I ordered another one because I really loved it and it's not the same. So I think I put it on the wrong box, and I think this is called the Lust lash. And they said you can use this for like up to 40 times, and I think I've used it like more than that. So now that my eyes are done, I'm now going to be putting on bronzer. I swear I kept looking at the viewfinder. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer, and this is in the shade number 3 tan. And so I really like how this eye looks like in the mirror. Like, I hope you appreciate it too. It looks so pretty and shiny. Me checking myself out on the viewfinder again, like, I want to see if I'm in frame though. That's why I kept looking. And I want to see if like the light's good and shade. So I'm just gonna take a brush and just give it a little tap, and then just bronze up my face. After that, I'm going to be putting on some blush. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade number 30 Rose. And a blush brush. And just put this all over your cheeks. I'm just going to build this up until I get like the color payoff that I want. And I need a lot because like soft girls like so much blush, like a lot of blush, as I've read on the article that I just read earlier. I forgot to put on mascara on my bottom lashes, so I'm just going to use my Gucci mascara, and I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes. Like so. So now I'm going to be putting on some lip product. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. I forgot what shade this is in, but it's a really cute shade. It's just super pretty. And then I'm going to be putting on my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Fussy. I had to reapply magnetic eyeliner and my lashes on here because it kept on sticking up, but now it's fine. So now I'm going to be doing my highlighter. I'm going to highlight using the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I'm just going to be using a little brush. Get some of the pink shade and just highlight. And I'm going to put some on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow. Girl, I feel like I look so ugly right now. I swear this whole camera thing and lighting is making me feel so self-conscious. But yeah, this is the finished. I'm just going to take this Makeup Forever Mist and Fix spray. I'm going to spray this all over my face. Like so. Take a look. Take a closer look at it. So, what do you guys think? Look at them eyes. Super pretty. So I'm now going to like change my clothes so I can show you guys the finished look, like the whole transformation with the outfit and makeup and everything. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. I really like this. This is a really pretty, like, basic pink makeup. I'm not that much happy about it. I planned on drawing like clouds and flowers on my face for this soft girl makeup look, but so I bought, like, you know, colored eyeliners, but I can't seem to find them anywhere. So I haven't, like, I didn't do all the drawings, but I still think this looks good. Like, and yeah, it still looks like a soft girl makeup because it's pink. I think the light is just drowning me and the color is not that showing off. I need to still work on my lighting, figure out what works best, and yeah. Also, you guys, for the outfit, I hope you like it. I bought a couple of stuff from H&M, so I'm going to be doing a haul soon. So it's like an H&M haul, and also soft girl outfit ideas, because all of the things that I got from H&M is going to be soft girl inspired. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss all of that. And as I've mentioned earlier, I'm also going to be putting up like a Leo makeup look for my zodiac sign makeup series. So I already did a makeup look for Gemini and Cancer. So yeah, and also I'm going to be uploading a brow routine video as well, I think maybe next week. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.